I've always wanted to do carpentry. Ever since I was a child, I used to watch the carpenter who used to come to our place to do odd jobs, and I was so fascinated. I would follow him around, and I never thought that I could do it. And now I'm so excited to take it forward. There are specifically 3 or 4 projects I envision myself doing. I love cooking, I love reading, so there's bookshelves in my future. There is definitely shelves around the kitchen, spice racks, I can custom build. I love how I know how to size things now, buy my own wood and build it out. I pushed myself to come and I'm so glad I did. It was just such a warm, inclusive bunch of participants. We come from different backgrounds, very different life experiences, but there's so much of commonality and common ground when you start getting to know each other and start working with each other. I love the way that is structured. The teachers are so inspiring, just the way they taught, in terms of the patience they exhibit, and of course all the information and knowledge. I think they are just beyond carpentry skills. I think a lot of them are life skills, and I'm just so glad that I did this, and I really encourage you to go for it as well.